Hi folks, I'm Hector Garcia. I'm an active practicing CPA, but if you're watching this video, you probably follow my work in one of the social media channels, and you're used to seeing my videos about accounting, business practices, marketing your accounting business, pricing, Excel, QuickBooks, and many other things that I create. One of the most common questions I get is, are you an accountant or are you an educator? And I think the best way to answer it is I'm an alternative accountant, which means that I'm an accountant aiming to do things differently, not for the sake of doing them differently, for the sake of doing them better. Better for my customers and better for myself so I can design a business that I truly enjoy working in. Now, another common question I get is, can you mentor me or can I give you mentoring to show you how to run an accounting practice? Now, unfortunately, that it's a bit difficult to scale for me. However, I have written my business practices in this program called the AltAccountant program, which I'm about to tell you details about. Now, what is an AltAccountant? This is a movement created by myself and my friend Kirk Bowman, who has been my value pricing mentor for many, many years. And we want to create a small community of accounting professionals that want to embrace this alternative business model that aims to swim against the current in order to stand out. Now, the AltAccountant 6-week program is going to be a training program in which you will learn by doing. It's not a webinar or a webinar series, and it's not a video course. It's actually a group-based, project-based learning experience where each attendee will create a total of 6 projects, 1 per week. And from the project, you will draw a lesson about pricing, positioning, innovation, or a combination of any of those 3. Now, what exactly are you going to learn? You're going to learn how to price on purpose, which means you're going to understand exactly what motivates your customer to buy from you and what kind of value they're looking to extract from your services and from the outcomes of your work. And once you know that and understand that, then you can price your services based on that specific goal in mind. Now, secondly, you're going to learn how to create a unique positioning statement or a framework for developing a niche or specialization. This means that you're going to have a unique way to come out and explain what you do and who you are without you ever being typecasted as an accountant or a bookkeeper. Now, you may call yourself an alternative accountant, but when you have a unique positioning statement, you're going to call yourself what is most attractive to your target customers. And your target customers are going to want to buy from you simply by knowing that you were meant or you were positioned to help them and just them. And finally, we're going to help you find inspiration to be in a perpetual innovative mindset and breaking through standard industry stigmas and status quo about what an accountant is or an accountant is supposed to be. Now, what are the dates for the program? We're going to start this program on Monday, January 28th, 2019, and we're going to end it on Friday, March 8th, 2019. Now, what would the program look like? I think most importantly, what would the program feel like? You're going to have 3 meetings per week. It's going to be via Zoom. They're estimated about an hour each. There won't be a hard stop in any of them. We're going to allow the meetings to flow naturally, but we're going to estimate them to be about an hour each. Now, on Mondays, we're going to do a lecturing session. We're going to explain what the project is. We're going to explain the lessons and the framework that you're supposed to draw from this project. And we're going to give you direct feedback from the previous week project. We're also going to have an open Q&A for any questions you may have about putting the project together. Then either the same Monday or Tuesdays, we're still working out the exact date, you're going to have a group meeting with a small group. It'll be a group of 4 to 6 people. It will be the same throughout the program, in which you will use ideation or brainstorming so you can help each other structure the project and the deliverables. So each of you can create a project, but using think tank style type of thinking to help you develop it in a deeper and collaborative way. And then on Friday, you will do a group presentation, which you're going to present to your group, your project, and you're going to get a direct critique from the group members. Kirk and I are going to be sort of behind the scenes watching this whole thing happen, and we're going to give you direct feedback for any specific areas that we think that need help. but we think you're going to get most of the value out of these group presentations and feedback. We suspect that the total between the Zoom meetings and the project time will be estimated between 4 to 6 hours per week you will be dedicating to this program. Now, we're going to keep all the project notes, the feedback, etc., in a Basecamp project management app, which you will have access throughout the entire 6 weeks. Now, will the sessions be recorded? So the answer is yes, we're going to record the sessions, but we recommend live attendance. If you actually don't think you're going to attend them live, you probably shouldn't join the program, because most of the value is going to be from the live Q&A and the live interactivity with the group members. It's arguably the most valuable piece of the whole program. Now, will Kirk or I be available for one-on-one coaching? So the answer is no, not doing the program because it wouldn't be scalable for us. We will be available in a weekly basis in the Monday sessions for a live Q&A, and we're also going to be giving you some direct feedback on the most important areas of improvements of each of your group presentations. Now, Kirk and I will be monitoring Basecamp so we can look at the projects, look at the discussions, and look at the questions. So we will be answering direct questions throughout the program. Now, will the program be offered any other dates? The answer is, yeah, very likely. We're not thinking about the dates yet. We'll probably be announcing that at the end of the next cohort. So that's going to be somewhere around March of 2019 that we will announce when we will do this again. For the time being, we're focused on the folks that want to get started in January of 2019. Now, who should not join this program? So if you're an accounting professional that's happy billing your customers by the hour, do not join this program, because it's going to be sort of a minimum requirement that you think about value pricing upfront, because that is a fundamental skill set for an AltAccountant program. Now, secondly, if you're an accounting professional that believes that you have a very strong brand and a very strong marketing strategy with unique positioning in the market, probably don't join this program, because we are going to want you to sort of recreate your branding and your marketing strategy from scratch based on a unique positioning statement. If you're an accounting professional that believes that you already are innovative or disruptive enough and you don't need to change or improve the type of services that you offer to your clients, probably not a good choice for you. And lastly, if you're an accounting professional that's too busy to dedicate 4 to 6 hours a week to this learning program, to be able to create the 6 projects and join the lecture and the group meetings, this is also not the program for you. Now, who should join this program? Look, if you're an accounting professional and you believe in this AltAccountant business model that I'm putting in front of you, and you want to do things different in 2019 because you want to expect better or different results that you've had for your own business or your own practice, you should definitely look at joining this program. Also, if you're going to dedicate the time to do these projects, because this is a learn by doing, not learn by watching type program. So you have to be able to have the time and also be able to afford the cost without this becoming a financial hardship or cash flow. So you have to be able to afford the program too, because we want you to join the program without that financial hardship. We don't want to take anybody's money if you're going to be stressed out about it. Now, what is the price of the program? If you sign up before the 31st of December of 2018, it's $2,500. If you sign up after, so anytime between January of 2019 through the deadline, which is January 25th, the program is a flat $3,000. Now, if you're joining someone else from your own firm, there will be a 10% discount for 2 or more people, and it has to be the same firm. Now, are there payment plan options? Yes. You can actually pay in 3 payments of $1,000 each. The first $1,000 when you first sign up, the second one on the 15th of January, and the third one on February 15th. Now, how do you sign up? If you go to altaccountant.com, and you can use a coupon code, QBPH is the coupon code. The first 10 people that sign up get a $500 discount, because it's the first time we're offering this program ever. We wanted to have special perk for the folks that are early adopters, so to speak, and are willing to give this program a chance. Now, if you have any other questions, email me directly, hector@garciacpa.com, or email Kirk Bowman, kirk@artofvalue.com. Thank you, and I hope to see you in the AltAccountant program starting in January of 2019.